Ever feel like no matter what you do, your metabolism just won't speed up? You're eating less, you're working out more, but that scale won't budge. Well, here's the truth. Starving yourself and doing endless cardio can actually slow your metabolism down. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to share 5 proven ways to fire up your metabolism naturally so you can burn more calories effortlessly. And trust me, you want to stick around because tip number 5 is a total game changer that most people ignore. Number 1, build more muscle. You see, the more muscle you have, the higher your metabolism, even when you're just sitting around doing nothing. You see, muscle is metabolically active. This means that it burns more calories than fat, even at rest. In fact, studies show that after a strength training workout, your metabolism stays elevated for hours, sometimes even up to 48 hours. And get this, research suggests that regularly lifting weights can increase your resting metabolic rate by as much as 7% over time. That's like getting a free calorie burn while you sleep. You don't even need to lift super heavy. You see, bodyweight exercises like squats, like lunges and push-ups, these can all do the trick. So here's your action step. Aim for at least 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week. Even 20 minutes can make a huge difference. Tip number 2, eat more protein. Did you know that digesting protein actually burns more calories than digesting carbs or fats? This is called the thermic effect of food, and your body burns about 20 to 30% of the calories from protein just by breaking it down. That's way more than what you burn from carbs or fats. And on top of that, protein helps preserve your muscle mass. This is crucial for keeping your metabolism high, especially if you're trying to lose weight. You see, a high protein diet has also been shown to increase overall energy expenditure. This means that more calories are burned throughout the day. So what should you do? Well, make sure that every meal includes a good protein source. You've got chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu, or even a simple protein shake. Tip number 3, drink more water, especially cold water. You see, most people don't realize this, but even mild dehydration can slow down your metabolism. And here's something cool. Drinking cold water actually forces your body to burn more energy to warm it up. One study found that drinking 500 ml of water increased metabolism by 30% for about an hour. That's a pretty easy metabolism boost, right? So here's your simple task. Aim for at least 2 liters of water daily. And if you want an easy way to wake up your metabolism in the morning, start your day with a big glass of cold water. Tip number 4, move more throughout the day. Here's something surprising. Your biggest metabolism booster isn't the gym. It's what you do outside of it. This is called non-exercise activity thermogenesis, short for NEAT. This is basically all the movement that you do throughout the day that isn't planned exercise. So you got things like walking, like fidgeting, like taking the stairs, or even just standing instead of sitting. You see, people with high NEAT levels, they burn hundreds more calories per day without even realizing it. That's why some people seem to stay lean effortlessly. They're just naturally more active. So what is your action step? Well, find little ways to move more throughout the day. Take the stairs instead of the lift, walk whilst you're on calls, or set a goal to hit 10,000 steps daily. And tip number 5, get enough sleep. This is one thing for weight loss and boosting your metabolism that most people overlook, but trust me, it's a game changer. You see, lack of sleep slows your metabolism and increases hunger hormones. This makes you crave junk food like crazy. In fact, studies show that sleep deprivation reduces insulin sensitivity. It makes it easier to gain fat and harder to lose it. So here's what you need to do. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Try to keep a consistent sleep schedule. So go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Your metabolism will thank you. All right, let's quickly recap. If you want to boost your metabolism, here's what you need to do. Build muscle with strength training, eat more protein, drink plenty of water, move throughout the day, and get enough sleep. You see, these aren't just quick hacks. the lifestyle changes that will keep your metabolism running high for life. So tell me, which of these tips are you going to start with? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, I truly care about your health and I wish you the very best.